아래고 제가 번쩍하지 레슨 지기 좋았지.
Luto.
아삭스 나가요. 다만에 DLC taas bildangaani spillitsiarnikuanaani satatungaano taava originaalitaa tamang me mattorpo spillinnariangorerpo qanorikkum assinerporaasit taamani Spider-Man nakkarpalutukkaluikkaagama
A sandstorm rises, and countless of its grains strike Sam furiously, cutting into his skin, entering his eyes, filling his mouth, until little by little everything in its path is buried under the sand. Even him. Fortunately, Sam is used to his many recurring nightmares, although he hasn't had this one for a long time. He doesn't know what it means, but whatever it is, it's happening again.
spilliuni pikinarsimanginga.
That was weird. For a brief moment, Sam stood completely still.
What? Suja. Taman yaks. Spilliadia not halai.
As he does every day, Sam gets ready to leave the house and go to work.
Okay.
However, today he seems a bit distracted, as if he hasn't been here before. Probably because of the move.
Iduangyo sa pakingaksakiya siya. Namiyok pa si Ising isa nakapaslat ako yung rawakpersakasusayan na aming ating nga. Ay, nakapal. Aki po.
He tries to open his grandmother Dolores's chest, but since her death, no one knows where the key is.
Matuwaksa. Kamangras pilitan na.
It seems he forgot to pick up the keys.
Pick up.
Right now I'm in a different place, and though we seem apart, I'm closer than I ever was. I'm there inside your heart. Dear Joel, your presence alone made the most heartbreaking moments of our lives so much lighter, and that was because you always tried to find a positive way to look at the world, even when the world wouldn't let you. We always happily recounted the anecdote of the day when, having lost your job, you came home with a huge pile of books, smiled at us and said, I have more time. That simple anecdote described you perfectly. You will be remembered in many ways, but above all as a good man of very few words who let his spirit speak for him. We were indeed very fortunate to have been in this life with you, and now we are the ones who would love to say, I have more time, just to spend it with you. We hope you find peace wherever you are, and that the good souls around you feel lucky to see your magical smile. We love you.
Matusa po yok to ano ako. Spilli dama tung yaksakoyosok. Sombut. Squeeze.
Suddenly, Sam starts running. He must be in a hurry.
What? Spilli yun ata sakjiking ako karuto siya sakjin na. So natan akong ireso.
A new day, and everything is still a mess in the house. Sam has barely made any progress with the move. Something has fallen.
Squeeze. Sinanggaw pipertok. Ruchi. Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta.
He finds one of his old sketchbooks. Sam has always liked to express himself through his drawings, until one day he stopped.
Si. Si작다가 또 파우스. Fantasiriae maronet bibliosymi tungaverani kaksatimini.
Some pages seem to be missing.
Apagaki.
The door does not open.
Spiller sinakto rikutasok. Namukakfiste ko ya kamukakpinginlan.
The basement. Despite being afraid of the dark, Sam used to come here all the time. Somehow he felt safe in this place.
Tamachi.
That symbol again. I don't remember when I started seeing this symbol, but now it's everywhere, as if it's haunting me. It doesn't seem to come from one of my nightmares because it appeared in all of them. Whatever it is, it seemed to be something I've seen somewhere else. It's starting to bother me. I hate it. I hope I can find out what it came as so I can get it out of my head.
Okay. 먹고 술이었다. 날 쏜다가. Tama, taman 술이 사각시망랑 지금 쌌나고. Tabamita, susukwasuamita. 숨막신다고. Positive game ôi ra có mà xin ní. Thôi game miếng ở đó nó kỳ sẽ positive game. Squeeze.
It's common for him to lose things all over the house, especially now with this chaos of boxes everywhere.
소매도 딱 쓰고 먹가이원. 아니 약도 점스케어. 하나만 더 비서가 쓰시와. 수리학동이랬다는 스빌럭서가 싹치동아. 하나 왜 그만서 보아시. 휴대폰 siya nakapal. Stabi mods. Spilla ka noot kumasa nakpo ka squeeze. Buyok tuwan naks.
The phone keeps ringing. Sam wonders who it could be.
Sam. Ring.
You hear it, don't you? How much longer are you going to pretend to ignore it? Don't do it. Don't let him get you again. That phone call was in very bad taste. You shouldn't mind it, especially considering how much remains to be done.
Long time no see. Matuwak sa mo yakasyo ah. Let me go again. Bang.
Well, curiosity led him to find something strangely disturbing in the basement.
Why not? Go to down. Why not? It's not that creepy.
Sam doesn't seem to be worried about what might be under that trapdoor, even though climbing down it doesn't look like a very good idea.
What? Squeeze. 기름에 밑에 수족할랬슈아 마주악사팅 오늘 약투샤셀루구루.
Many questions were going through Sam's head. Is this real? What is this place? Not quite your ordinary house, that's for sure.
Illu mitakuni kongisaben mitakulluni pinnaulaqtorui. Oh no. Hey! Nakamangira, kurak tanak puspili, takuni kongin nagkuruni, di aserta kamangira. Big kids. Oh, I don't know you. Atuangira ka. Positive ingak sa chiswa. Ich. Number 1.
There is a hole here. Someone has spent a lot of time trying to break through the wall.
주사색까마린 약하라약소 둥아서 데코라고 데코사인 찍적 찍적 저거 6반? 오케이 뭐 약시쇼가 납딘 서빠 니비득 숨미 sortuna rungo nang lang su kasanax loy help
Ask for help first. Be careful with the ladder. If you need it for anything, I'd rather you ask for help first. You don't have to do everything by yourself. Mom.
Sam doesn't get to pick up the hammer hanging oddly from the lamp.
lamp 사실 이거 nakputlan spill ano sila? DEF dumb and fuck
DNF dumb as fuck.
oh sh come on 주사사각도 가나
That was a very strange way to get the hammer.
What not?
The windows are blacked out, obscuring much of the place. But luckily for Sam, there are some lights on.
Ano ba ito? House. Maski ako kasi itch. Clock pizza 감박닭도 갔어 감박닭도 갔어 순환의 스퀴 버시 지위가에 매약 버시 phá bị ok nakakang siya nagpaka udah kamu wah Spider-Man quick Okay. Rất bua. Mặc bậc kia đó. Monkey. Một trong mình đâu có số một trong đẹp. box.
One of the cards his mother Ava used to make to teach them Spanish. She kept leaving them forgotten everywhere.
You forgot the best. A maximum wound. I know it. Costs. No. Sakto. Natinitniak ni ko si mama. O tsaka netas sa nakasunan naksok. Tama di tsaksers. Singarong. Riso ko tayo ngilas. Tanga ko may singisakang nga lang. Ayaw ka ruwak dami. 말이야 주모수가 똑똑한. Ayun na. Kurutama sa narunaklutin. Fapi. It's... dom실이쇼. 했어.
Sam is puzzled by the phrase on the wall. It has his handwriting on it.
Are we not playing today either? I'm sorry, Sam. I'm not feeling very well, and Mum wouldn't be happy about it either. Did you find the monkeys yet? No, you hid them very well this time. Mum told me you have the flu. She still can't tell me the truth. It really make me mad. I know. How about watching movie? Okay, but I choose it.
Monkey? Monkey 맛이 비우시면 뭐한? 빰 into to it. 시우쭈쭈 시우시트레트리 범미쭈
Too much.
Once again, someone is trying to scare him. You shouldn't play along.
Every time, Dr. Mildash, shut the fuck up. Hello. You won't. Come on. Bye-bye.
Still, he decides to go deeper into this house, even though he knows it's probably not a good idea to do so.
too scared.
Shut
Curiously,
down!
a toy helps him find his way in the dark. Too convenient.
Okay, positivity here. natokharakto kasi oh. Azam. Wait. Wanted to take a
His drawings cover the walls. Sam can't help but doubt whether he really painted them. After all, it wouldn't be the first time he's done something and doesn't remember it.
Tässä sininnammon. Misinisassaksi ojoqtillungu kalunnilissuaa. Siullermertumis spillerunaaruarpaa susoqassanarsoq kisiaalnalullugu. Ersinartulersaarutaawa positive gameillunilu.
Dad's sticky notes. I see that your father kept talking to you through sticky notes. I've collected a lot, but there are still quite a few lying around. Are you going to keep them or shall I throw them away? Mum.
Tuomasartaa mininnarpakkuunni. Saunnerna. Oh,
Is that a coin?
Mario Conch. I just about. Hello. I can't see. Hello. So. Is are you want to? Sunasimassan ronda. Siani. Spillertunga nan.
What the hell? Sam recovers, disoriented, in what appears to be a cave.
Positive game. Magko siyo misluta. Up. Siya sinawong takay sa. Singawa sinawong Minawang ito may sumipo nga. Run away!
Something monstrous echoes among the rocks. It seems large.
Sinangona. Sånne det min oppgang. Sudak katter i vår. Ang rami, hindi anton sinasyo nga.
I see. Sam walks through the desert with a strange sense of relief. After all, it was just another one of his nightmares.
Sequmedersorisa. Only timing. Makasillung squeeze.
Do you miss your childhood? Int. How's sunset? Sam looks in the mirror, turns around and leaves the bathroom. The sound of the air freshener startles him as he walks down the corridor. Narrator. OS. Sam gets ready to go to work as usual. A new day awaits him. He goes downstairs, picks up the house keys from the bowl on the phone table and walks out the front door. Over black title. Friday, go to your room.
Så står vi mod med gitteret midt, du skulle
Sam gets ready to go to work as usual. A new day awaits him.
Okay. Stab. Hurry. Five. 9, 1. No, 1. Kabarit! Lipat now, 1. Come on! 가수지 꼭 들어오신다고 간우 들어오신다고 가수지 아 sluta många ut titta där var står vi mot hjälten squeeze limon No, tulliani muna qikkamarpaasuli artussamaaderamaat tamaana nertalerpuasit qoyna sinnarsnupi sinnarlorsmassis namasimaat tulliam takus bye bye